The next great event which will be discussed is when the sun will be brought within 2 miles of the creation on the Day of Judgment. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2864. This will cause people to sweat according to the deeds they performed during their lives on earth. Some people's sweat will reach up to their ankles, some their knees, and for others it will reach their mouths. One only needs to ponder over the times they were subjected to intense summer weather, and how the heat affected their attitude and behavior, to appreciate the heat of Judgment Day. This event shows that those who strive hard and exert sincere efforts in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by using the blessings they have were granted in ways pleasing to Him, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, will find relaxation on Judgment Day. But those who use the blessings they were granted in vain and sinful ways will be subjected to great stress on Judgment Day. Simply put, the one who strives in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, here will relax there, but the one who relaxes here will strive there in difficulty. Chapter 56 Al-Waqiyah, verses 88 to 89.
And if he, the deceased, was of those brought near to Allah, then for him is rest.
The same way people strive hard in this material world, so that they obtain a comfortable life and even a comfortable retirement. Even though reaching this retirement age is not guaranteed, Muslims should strive even harder in this world by obeying Allah, the Exalted, in all aspects of their life, so that they obtain peace and comfort in this world and on a day that is guaranteed to occur. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
It is a sign of great ignorance to strive for a day one may never reach, namely, the day of retirement, and not strive for a day they are guaranteed to reach and experience, namely, Judgment Day. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.